and everything. One bag can be of blankets and sheets and clothes and everything, and another bag can be. Hello guys, Sumoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. And for the new subscribers, fit at home, welcome. This is Sumoto Lifestyle, and for the OG, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your sweet comments, and thank you so much for always being there for me as Sumoto Lifestyle. Guys, I tell you, this year I'm gonna be bringing you content as a mother, as a full-time worker, as a wife. I am busy, and now as a content creator, because I love social media so much. I feel like I have something to offer to the world, so I don't want to be other titles, because this title as well is a encouraging title, because I have to share part of my life with the world. Okay, that's why I love creating. Even if I get tiny time, I love creating content for you guys. Okay, as my side hustle, or as my enjoyment in the side, because I love talking to people. I feel like you guys are my family. So today's topic, I am going to unbox something that is going to encourage mothers, guardians, anybody else who has a teenager or a student, a girl or boy who are moving to college. They leave home, now they are moving out to go to college, because they have to stay in college. They're not staying in the house anymore. You are not going to be seeing them daily in your house, but they have to go live in campus. That is me this year. My other son is moving out, is going to college, and is going to leave us behind. I feel sad, but at the same time I feel happy. But as you know, when they leave and go to college, as a mother or as parents, we have to get prepared. We have to buy them anything that they need for college. We have to make sure they pack their things really well, and make sure that they have good storage when they go to college, so they can have easy lives just studying. So that's what I did as a mother. So I know my son is moving out, but I had to find something that he can put his stuff, and I make sure those, whenever he put in there, is going to be either books, linens, or anything that he has is going to be saved in the college, besides disaster or water, anything that is going to dust, anything that is going to damage his things. Make sure his things are okay. So I got this advice from somebody else. Who is a relative who has already purchased these things, and they gave me advice. Hey, your son is moving to college, so you need to buy these and these for their storage. So I got this. Let me show you the cover. I got these moving bags. So I don't know if you can read this one or this one, but it says moving bags, and they're heavyweight. They upgraded the wrapped handle. They have reinforcing and sewing, premium zipper, and the clear pocket. So these are gallons, the extra large bags. They are 23, they carry 23 gallons. So I'm talking about this black. They have different colors, but I'm talking about these black bags here. They're extra large, and I ordered them from Amazon. They have different blue, if you want the light blue. They have colors, but I chose black. As you know, black, it goes with anything, so I chose this bag, the black here. They come six of them, okay. So they're really large. So this is one. Let me show you. They are 6. Look at them. They are 6 right here, and one of them like that, and one of them is open. So I'm gonna show you the one I opened. So they really wrap them here, and they wrap them with a clear bag, so that I throw the clear bag, and they're really light. But these bags, I'm telling you, the moving container, they're heavy duty, and when your daughter, your son, whoever is going to pack their things, they are going to feel safe. So let me show you the one that I opened, so that you can see how large this clear bag is. Let me get up so I can show you. Do you see how humongous this bag is? This is a clear bag, and in here is a lot of space, and they have a zipper here. This zipper, actually you can, both sides, You can get a bad lock if they want to lock their things. They can lock their things here. And this bag is really huge. And inside, look at that. Inside is really heavy. Look at that. It's really nice and nothing water like dust can go in here. And the space in here is humongous. I can put my head in it. Even myself, actually, I can fit in here. Even mold myself. This is really nice for my son or other students who are moving to college. And you can easily carry this. They can put their books and blankets, and they can label. They come with this clear label. Let me see. Let me show you. These are designer cards. They're 6. So you can design. These are cards. You can write here books. In one bag, you can say these are my books. So you can put here and write here what you have, if it's books, if it's blankets, if it's what, so that for easy identification, so you don't waste time as a student for study. So I can say these are my blankets, these are my sheets, these are where I put my shoes. So you can label anything you have in a bag so that it can easier for you to remember. So as you can tell, this bag you can carry by yourself. At the same, or 2 people can carry this. You know, one can hold there and another one can hold there, and it's gonna be easier for you. Or you can put your stuff and put it in your bag. You see, like that. You can carry one in your bag. If you have 2 bags, you are not gonna have any problem. And this other bag, let me open it. If you have this one, oh my goodness, these bags are really nice. Oh, look at that. So there's 6 when you order, and if you have another one like this, let me see. So you can put one in your bag, and this other one, let's try to open it. I know guys, you see, it's heavy. It's not even going to tear out, okay? It's not. These are free grip. It's a free grip here. So when you put things here, they're going to expand, so you don't have to worry. So you can put one in your bag, and another one you can carry it on your side like this, and you are going to college. You're ready to go to study. And if your college or your dorm doesn't have a space, you can clearly put them even on the carpet, whatever, or the wood floor they have, the carpet they have, the tiles they have. This one you can just put them beside your bed or on the side of the bed and just stack them there, and your things will be safe. No water, no dust, no nothing is going to mess up with your things. So motto lifestyle. Am I ready? I feel like I need to go back to college. I need to go back and study, get more degrees, okay? I guess this is going to be a thumbnail. What do you think? I feel like this is going to be a good thumbnail. So if you are a mother or a father, a single mother, married, not married, but you have a child who is going to college, I just wanted to tell you, these bags, you can find them in Amazon. And they come a package of 6. There are 6. Of course, my son is not going to take all 6 in college. You know, it may take 2 or 3 depending on what he has. Some of the bags we are going to keep them here for us whenever we're carrying or we're traveling. You know, I'm a traveler as well. So whenever I'm traveling, either to my country or a different country or whatever it may be, I am going to be easy to carry my things without minding on my things getting damaged. So I wanted to demonstrate to you these bags. I'm not trying to promote them, guys. I'm just excited my son is going to college, and I wanted to show you how I'm getting ready for my son to go to college, and I'm excited. So I can't wait to start buying blankets and sheets so that I can pack in here for you, so that I can show you how the whole thing looks like. But so far, if you are wanting something that you are going to pack your things, you don't have really necessarily to college or anything that you're packing these things here. Or sometimes you can pack things and store them under your bed or in your house, anything that they're not going to be damaged due to water, especially those people who live those places where they flood a lot. So these bags, they were, how much were they? They were $28, $28.99 or $28.88, something like that. But if you have a Prime member like myself, you can find them. They were 28, but with Prime, and you have to pay shipping and everything like that. They come like 40 something, but with Prime they come up to $32. So they are really not that expensive if they are manageable. But so far I wanted to show you how you can pack your thing, and I'm a proud mother of a college student, and I am so ready to pack this for my son to go to college. And guys, I hope you enjoying all this content that I'm creating for you. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and don't forget to turn on your notification. That's when you know when Umoto Lifestyle is posting another video. Guys, from my house to you guys, I wish you the best, and I say ciao ciao. See you later.